Welcome home. As you enter, you're greeted by a spacious foyer that leads into an open concept living area. The living room features a cozy fireplace, perfect for Indiana winters, and flows seamlessly into the dining area and kitchen. The kitchen boasts modern appliances, ample counter space, and a convenient breakfast bar. Beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, and a unique built-in wine coffee bar with reclaimed wood accents makes this perfect for hosting guests. The master suite offers a tranquil retreat with an ensuite bathroom featuring a soaking tub, separate shower, and vanities. Two additional bedrooms are well appointed and share a full bathroom. Enjoy the open and spacious newly remodeled laundry room with plenty of extra room that can be used as a mudroom or storage area. A highlight of this property is the pergola, providing a serene space to enjoy morning coffee or unwind in the evenings. The fenced-in backyard is spacious, offering potential gardening area or outdoor entertainment. Located in the Mystic Woods subdivision, this house offers a blend of comfort and convenience, making it an ideal place for you to call home. Call Justin Shear and learn more.